Guys, we got the Mayfire portable basketball hoop. This thing was incredibly easy to set up. I will be really transparent with you. I am not very good at setting things up. And I built this all by myself, which to me feels like an accomplishment. It was very easy to set up though. And right here is where you do all the adjusting. It's very simple and easy to use. So it's very easy to adjust. You just press that and you can see that's just effortlessly moving it up. So we can go really low if we're working with kids, and then you can feel when it clicks in. If you come here, come a little closer. Yeah, you can see it'll click in at the next setting. So you always know when you're clicked in. This thing's really amazing for whether you're a kid or you're an adult playing. Super easy to put together, super easy to adjust. A lot of ways to weigh it down. So you could put like sandbags, cement bags on the top. You could also put sand or water inside. And you also have a space for the basketball to get stored right there. So this thing's very cool, very easy to use, shatterproof. Buy it.